Hi, my dear students. Welcome to IIT JEE NEET classes. Now, everyone focused on IPE exams. This month, 24th IPE exams will be start. This month and March till 15th, the IPE exams are going on. So that everyone focus on IPE exams. That's why today I am discussing about second year intermediate chemistry most important questions which are very useful to get more marks and how to get 60 out of 60 in chemistry. I will give some guidance to you. So if you see the blueprint of chemistry, senior chemistry, Telangana state intermediate examination, if you see the blueprint, the question paper containing 3 types of questions, that is 8 mark questions, 4 mark questions and 2 mark questions. In section 1, VSAQs are present, that is 10 questions. There is no choice. All the 10 questions you want to answer. Each question 2 marks, total 20 marks. Then in section 2, SAQ questions are there, that is 8 questions. Out of that 8, 2 choice questions are there. You want to answer only 6. 6 into 4, 24. Then LAQs, 3 questions are there. You want to answer only 2 questions. Each question secured 8 marks, total 16 marks. The total marks is 60 marks maximum. So the pass mark is according to Telangana State Board 21 marks. So if you want to get out, that means 60 out of 60, you need to be learn more 2 mark questions. Then only you can get 60 out of 60. If you see the blueprint, the LAQs will come from electrochemistry and chemical kinetics chapters. Then 4 mark questions, mainly they given from solid state, solutions, surface chemistry, metallurgy and D and F block elements, polymers, biomolecules and nitrogen containing organic compounds. Come to the point of VSAQs, that is solutions and electrochemistry, then metallurgy, then P block elements 2 marks and 2 questions are there. D and F block elements, then polymers, then chemistry in everyday life, then haloalkanes, halorines, then organic compounds of carbon, hydrogen, oxygen atoms. Want to see that questions? 8 mark question chapters, that is electrochemistry and chemical kinetics, P block elements and organic compounds of carbon, hydrogen, oxygen. Then 4 mark question chapters, solid state, solutions, surface chemistry, metallurgy, D and F block elements, polymers, biomolecules and organic compounds of nitrogen, that is amines. Then 2 mark questions, solutions, electrochemistry, metallurgy, P block elements, D and F block elements, polymers, chemistry in everyday life, haloalkanes, halorines, organic compounds of carbon, hydrogen, oxygen. Then go through that one by one. First, 8 marks most important questions. Out of these 8 questions, definitely that 3 questions will come. So see that what the first question from chemical kinetics. This is very frequently asked question in chemical kinetics, that is collision theory of reactions, bimolecular gaseous reactions, then Kohlrausch law from electrochemistry, then molecularity and order of the reactions, and name one bimolecular and trimolecular gaseous reactions examples and give example for first order and second order reaction. This is from chemical kinetics. Then come to the point of P block elements. preparation of ammonia Haber's process and chlorine preparation in laboratory. Then ammonia reactions with zinc sulfate, copper sulfate, AgCl, and chlorine react with iron, hot, concentrated NaOH and Na2H2O3. So these are the very important questions. Then come to the point of another P black element question, that is ozone prepared from oxygen. Then explain with ozone react with C2H4, Ki, Hg, PbS, silver and C2H2. So these are the questions. Then Ostwald process, nitric acid preparation. Then nitric acid react with copper and zinc, S8 and P4. So this is another question. Then last organic chemistry question. Here so many named reactions are there. In that 9 named reactions, 3 to 4 questions every time they will give. Okay na? Compulsory. These from 9 questions only, 9 named reactions only. Every time questions are repeating. So that better to read all these 9 named reactions. Then come to the point of short answer questions, that is 4-mark questions. 4-mark questions. This is 4-mark questions. So first, solid state derived Bragg's equation is most important. Every year it is repeated question. Then if they skip that question, the most probable, that is Schottky effect and Frenical defect. Schottky defect and Frenical defect. Then classify p-type and n-type semiconductor. Germanium doped with indium and silicon doped with boron. These type of questions are very, very, very important. Then come to the point of solutions. In that solution, so most very important question is what is the relative lowering of vapor pressure, how it is useful to determine molar mass of the solute. 6th question. Then state Raoult's law. Then some questions based on formulas of solutions. That is glucose water labeled with 10% W by W. What is the molarity of the solution? Okay na? This type of objective type of questions also sometimes they will give. So mainly RLVP question is most important. Then come to the point of surface chemistry. In that surface chemistry, main important question is catalysis. Then classification of the catalysis. Then colloids, dispersion and dispersion medium based on that colloids classification. Then different types of adsorption and difference between characteristic of different types of adsorptions also we will have to explain. So that is most important questions. Then some rare cases miscellany also they will ask the question. Then question number 14, metallurgy. In that metallurgy, flotation process is most important. Then write down the chemical reactions taking place, extraction of zinc from zinc blend. Then briefly extraction of aluminium from bauxite. Then these are the questions, main important questions, this and all. Then give examples, roasting and calcination also one of the most important question. Then come to the point of question number 15, that is D and F black elements and coordination compounds. In that coordination compounds mainly you focus on IUPAC nomenclature. Okay na? IUPAC nomenclature. Then explain the terms ligand, coordination number, coordination entity, central metal atoms. These are the most important in Werner theory. Then come to the point of D and F black elements. Write characteristic properties of transition elements is the most important question. Every time they are repeating that question. So this is one of the important questions from D and F black elements and coordination compounds. Then question number 16, biomolecules. In that, what are the hormones and steroid hormones, polypeptide hormone and amino acid derivatives? Give one example for each. Then discuss the structural elucidation, structure of glucose on the basis of chemical properties. Very important. Then deficiency of the vitamins. Okay na? Also you want to remember that question. Then very important organic chemistry questions, that is SN1 and SN2 questions. Explain with some examples. Then write the structure of the following organic halides. Then write the equation involved in the reaction of nitrous acid with ethylamine and aniline. Some most important questions. Then come to the point of question number 18, P block elements. Here most important is XCF2, XCF4 and XCF6 preparations and their structures, very important. Then how does SO2 react with the following? This is most important question. Next yes, so in that P block elements, so mainly I want to discuss about chlorine prepared electrolytic method, also important. Then XeO3, XeO4, XeOF4 preparations also remember. Sometimes contact process also, maybe they will ask that questions from sulfuric acid, that is oxygen family. Grow question number, okay, that is next. Then come to the point of VSIQ questions, 2 mark questions. So from solutions, so the most important questions, that is isotonic, Henry's law, colligative properties is most important. Then electrochemistry mainly, that is Faraday's laws more important. Faraday's laws, that is most important questions, both first law and second law. Then after that H2O2 fuel cell, then standard hydrogen electrode and galvanic cell and voltaic cell, give one example. Then come to the point of chemical kinetics, what is the defined order of the reaction with example, and give examples to zero order, and some reaction questions based on T half also they will ask, based on that questions also they will ask. Then question number 3, general principles of metallurgy. In that metallurgy mainly the questions they given alloys based question, then ores based question, then what is the role of cryolite in the metallurgy of aluminium, then explain the terms ganju and slag. So these are the most important questions. Then P block elements, in that ammonia is a good complexing, explain why. The nitrogen molecule is slightly okay. Then what is the allotropy part, okay na? Then NH3, these are not, then inert pair effect. These are the most important questions. Then come to the point of another P block questions. So in that most important is that is chlorine acts as oxidizing agent, explain 2 examples. Tailing of mercury and chlorine, what happens when chlorine react with dark slate lime, so also most important, okay na? In modern diving apparatus, mixture of helium and oxygen is used, why? So this is the most important. Then come to the point of question number 5, D and F block elements and coordination compounds. In that what are the mission metal composition, then calculate a spin-only magnetic moment. Then Zn plus 2 is diamagnetic, Mn plus 2 is paramagnetic, why? Explain. Then ambident ligands is the most important questions. Then organic chemistry, ambident nucleophiles, examples. Then what are the enantiomers, examples, Wurtz and Wurtz fatigue reactions, okay na? Most important question. Then arrange the following basicity decreasing order. Keep in mind that this is most important. Then tolerance reagent, then carbolamine reaction, explain with example. Then from polymers PHBV reaction and biodegradable polymer with example, and thermosetting polymer. Then write the structure of monomers of the following polymers, very important. Then Ziegler-Natta catalyst also one of the most important question. Then polymerization, addition polymers, very important. Then chemistry in everyday life, in that we will discuss about food preservatives examples, and antacid examples, and disinfectant examples, and antihistamine examples, okay na? These are the most important questions. Then come to the point of another one, that is what are the analgesics, how they are classified. Then narcotic and non-narcotic analgesics, very important. Then antiseptic and antibiotic, give examples. Tincture of iodine. Then biomolecules, jitter ion, give example. Essential and non-essential amino acids, very important. Then what are the amino acids, give examples. So these are the most important. So these are all most important questions. So then in this video I will give some previous question papers also, that is 2025 Telangana State question paper, then 2024 Telangana State question paper, then 2023 March Telangana State question paper, three previous question papers also I included in this video. So everyone wants to see this video and all these important questions and I'll read. Definitely you can get 60 out of 60 marks. So please note down the important questions and all. So dear students, please like my video and share my video and subscribe. Thank you one and all.